So today the world has really tried time management, resource management. I feel the real solution is in your energy management, your inner energy management. You know, we all live in two worlds. There is the outer world and there is inner world. The outer world comprises of people, situation and things, right? And our inner world comprises of our thoughts and emotions and feelings. And we spend so much time in fixing things in the outer world, in managing people, managing a situation, or managing things around us, whether they're, whether we want to achieve them or get rid of them, right? And we never seem to find an end to that cycle. And I feel if we just turn around and focus our attention a little bit inward and manage our inner energies and inner emotions, inner thoughts, inner feelings, I think the solution can be found very easily.
And it was amazing, such a beautiful experience. Just puts you right in the zen. I can't even speak about it, I'm so relaxed.
Your eyes, you can come out. Take this time for yourself.
Honestly, I can say I feel 100% lighter. I'm not gonna say cured. I just feel 100% lighter. I feel like the world is lifted off my shoulders. I feel happier. I feel pretty much at ease with my life. As before, I just felt like I just didn't know what to do and didn't know where to go. And I want to thank Ashish. Thank you so much for the opportunity and the experience. Thank you so much.
The part of my back that I'm telling you, almost immediately it quit hurting, and I was able to do the rest of the day with no pain.
Experiencing this meditation and breathing that Ashish shared with us, it helped me to really sink into, relax into my own true nature. So I'm very thankful, and I am thankful to pass this on to others in service to others. Thanks so much, Ashish.
And shake it like we mean it, right?
Again, I came out feeling calm, more focused, more aware of the important things such as my breath and how important that is for me. In other words, working on my inner world, my inner health, more than the outer world. But I always feel good learning from Ashish, because he's a great soul, great mind, great knowledge. So I just feel better. I feel good.
Good.
We did not realize there were the inner and the outer stuff that we had to work on. We know we need it, but when it was here, we were like blown away. We had no idea what we were tapping into, and we did. So I feel totally blessed being here. He totally inspired us. So the reason why he's here is because we pushed him to please come back and help us, guide us, and kind of threw him under the bus. But wow, we're here, and we totally was glad that he came. So thank you, Ashish.
Every state of our mind is connected to our breath. How do we breathe when we are angry? Fast and shallow. When we are sad, and relax.
And today I had the opportunity to work with Ashish and have him come down and do the Heal the Healers session with us. We took a break in our day, we sat down and we breathed. We also listened, and that was also very, very important for them to hear so many of the wisdom that Ashish was able to share with us. This was a unique opportunity to have a little bit of time to take care of themselves, and hopefully it's something that they will take and run with and grow with and be able to focus on healing themselves, just like